Green juice. Ingredients: 1 cups of leafy greens, such as kale, spinach, or Swiss chard. 2. 1 cucumber. 3. 2 celery stalks. 4. 1 green apple. 5. 1 lemon, peeled. 6. Optional: a small piece of ginger for added flavor. Directions: 1. Wash and chop all the ingredients into manageable pieces. 2. Run them through a juicer. 3. Stir the juice well and serve over ice, if desired. Orange carrot juice. Ingredients: 1. 4-5 large carrots. 2. 4-5 oranges. 3. Optional: a small piece of turmeric root for an anti-inflammatory boost. Directions: 1. Wash and peel the carrots and oranges. 2. Cut them into smaller pieces for easier juicing. 3. Juice the carrots and oranges together. 4. Give the juice a good mix before serving. Tropical pineapple berry juice. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks. 2. 1 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 3. 1 orange, peeled. 4. 1/2 lime, peeled. Directions: 1. Prepare the fruit by washing and chopping as needed. 2. Juice the pineapple, mixed berries, orange, and lime together. 3. Give it a gentle stir and serve.